Hey everybody, welcome to our Facebook group iPad giveaway. It's been a really great month in the Facebook group. We started this giveaway, I believe it was on May 7th. It's now May 31st. So comments are closed and we're looking forward to finding out who the winner is of this iPad. And we've also got some little secrets coming up as well.
Yeah, let's dive right into it. We're also going to post this video on YouTube, so we'll always like to recommend subscribing to the Brilliant Directories YouTube channel. You can go to brilliantdirectories.com/YouTube, and let me just go there with you guys. When you come to the YouTube channel, if you're checking us out for the first time, there are links to try the free trial, see our demo, go to our website. But what's really cool is you can come to the videos list here. And there are new videos almost weekly that we're posting up in here, from the webinars, tips of the week, feature tutorials, and lots more. And also, yeah, this month the Facebook group has been super active. A lot of people are asking some higher level questions that we're seeing in there, David. People are enhancing their sites for SEO, doing design work, and a lot of people are just getting started. So it's nice to see everyone helping each other there. If you're watching this video and you're not part of the Brilliant Directories Facebook group, also recommend joining us there. You can go to brilliantdirectories.com/Facebook. And actually, let's go there together here. We can see, yeah, this was the iPad giveaway. Here we got 891 total comments. That's also replies. There were a few duplicates in there. So we will be giving away an iPad today in the video. But just a little bit about the group here. And just talking about this month of May, we talked about the instant business data. That's going to be released next month in June. The ability to get email notifications when people receive replies to their comments on posts, that's now released. It's been a big month, and lots more. Member tags are on the way. I'll save some for later, but yeah, join us in the Facebook group if you're not already here, and feel free to post discussions and ask questions. And we had those entrants. It was 891. We took that list. I guess let's show you guys how we distilled that list down. So this was the post here. And if you left a comment, you automatically got entered into the contest. So it's 891. It includes like replies and stuff like that. What we did is we just used a little bit of our magic with CSS, and we just kept the main comments from the commenters here. So we scrolled down and then we copied them into this Excel sheet here. And we removed for duplicates here. So if we scroll down, we pasted all the names here, and we have a total of 760 names. If you are a winner today in the contest, we will reach out to you on Facebook. We'll either at you in the winner's post, or we'll find you and send you a message directly. So fear not, we will get in touch with you and make sure you get your prizes delivered to you. So what we'll do is we will copy all these names, and one of our favorite tools here is the Wheel of Names. It's a free online tool. This is a pretty big list here, so we'll just copy all these names. I'll show you how it works. So you come to this website. It's a free website. You just go to wheelofnames.com. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna paste everyone's name right in here, and then we're going to give the wheel a spin. And on this first spin, it's going to be for the main prize, the iPad, but we have a few runner-up prizes that we'll get into right after this main prize here. So what I'll do is I'll just clear up this area here, just hide some of this. Okay, so David, this spin here is going to be for the iPad giveaway. So let's go back to the post here. All right, and yep, it's going to be one of you guys here who commented, and let's spin the wheel and find out. All right, the wheel is spinning. It is spinning, and who is going to win the iPad, and what color are you going to request as well? Lars Stahl, congratulations, Lars Stahl. You are the winner of a brand new Apple iPad. We will reach out to you. We'll get in touch with you and make sure that gets delivered to you in a timely manner. So congratulations, Lars. All right, let's copy this name here. And actually, let me just do a little spreadsheet here. And what we'll do is Lars iPad. All right, but we do have some additional prizes here, so don't leave just yet. We are giving away, how many lifetime websites are we giving away?
Let's go ahead and give away a couple lifetime sites. Let's do two.
let's go ahead and do 3 lifetime website plans.
The
Let's
more
just
the merrier.
The more the merrier. All right, what we'll do is we'll do 3 spins, and each spin, whoever those winners are, you will win 1 lifetime website plan from Brilliant Directories. Just to clarify what that's going to be, just a second, here we go. That is equivalent to the lifetime deal here on our pricing page for $14.50. So big value there. And what we'll do is we'll come back to the wheel of names. Let's spin our first wheel for the first time for the lifetime website plan. All right, I hope it's you, whoever you are watching. Let's see who the name is. And we have Sandra Tinch. Congratulations, Sandra Tinch. We'll reach out to you, and we look forward to seeing what you do with your lifetime website plan. And I'll just put your name here. All right, let's spin this wheel for the second lifetime website plan winner. And it is spinning. All right, and let's see who it's landing on. Joe Tracy, congratulations, Joe Tracy. We'll add your name here. And what we'll do is, and don't go away, we have some runner-up prizes after the lifetime website plans as well. So Joe Tracy will reach out to you. Let's spin one more time for one more lifetime website plan winner. Go ahead and spin this wheel here. All right. And what a fun day to do this on a Friday. Everyone can enjoy the weekend after this. All right, Jackie. Jackie is a longtime BDer. I'm so happy that you won a new lifetime website plan. Congratulations. I'll add your name to the list here. But wait, there's more. What do we have coming up next, David, now that we've gone through the iPad and the lifetime website giveaways?
Well, those were some big prizes, but we've got another crowd pleaser coming up. We've got some Amazon gift cards.
All right, who doesn't like Jeff Bezos' gift card here? What we'll do is, how many of these are we going to be spinning the wheel for, David?
Are we going to do 5?
5 it is. 5 Amazon gift cards worth $150 value. These Amazon gift cards are digital, so the winners of these will gather your information, and we'll email you your gift card so that you can use it through Amazon, or they have lots of services you could probably use these gift cards for. But you know, paper towels never hurt nobody. So let's go back to our wheel of names. We'll remove your name. Congratulations again, Jackie. All right, so we'll do this one 5 times, and we'll do the first one here. And the first winner of the $150 Amazon gift card is, here it comes, Paul Howard. Congratulations, Paul. Let me just put a little note here. Gift cards. All right, so we got one, Paul Howard. All right, that was the first one. Let's spin the wheel again for the second winner of the $150 Amazon gift card. All right, lots of fun here. Let's see whose name is going to pop up. Alina, congratulations. We will get in touch with you for your Amazon gift card. Very happy for you. Put your name right there. All right, number 3 here for the $150 Amazon gift card. All right, the wheel is stopping and spinning. Craig Harris, congratulations, Craig Harris. I'll add your name to our list here. We got 2 more, guys. We got 2 more $150 Amazon gift cards to pass out. Let's see who the winner is going to be. This is for number 4 here. And the wheel is stopping. All right, the weddingnetwork.co. I think I know who that is. So we'll put your name here. We'll get in touch with you. All right, congratulations there. And number 5, this will be the 5th and final spin here for the $150 Amazon gift card. We'll go ahead and give the wheel a final spin. And by the way, big shout out to the BD community. It's been lots of fun. Love doing these contests. We will be sure to do some of these contests later in the year as well. But for now, let's do the final spin here for the 5th and final $150 Amazon gift card. I really hope it's you, whoever you are watching this video right now. Let's see who it is going to be. All right, Earl Sanders. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners, and congratulations to all the BDers out there. Really want to give you a big thank you for all the tips and suggestions and feedback you give to help improve the platform for everybody. It's been a fun free iPad giveaway month. Who was the big winner? Lars Stahl. Congratulations on that iPad giveaway. Again, we'll try to do this a little bit down the road later in the year. And I think there was a quota for 2 iPads to win, but we just didn't reach it this time. It was if we received 1,000 unique comments, we would have done 2 iPads. So when we do this contest next time, guys, definitely encourage you to ask your friends and family. They can join the Facebook group. They can leave a comment there. And if we reach that quota, we'll keep it at 1,000. We got really close. I think it was 760. So I think we can really reach it next time. There's close to 15,000 people in that Brilliant Directories Facebook group. But again, thank you guys for participating. Congratulations to all the winners. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the Facebook group. Do you want to leave anyone with any final last words here, David?
I'll just say if you're not already in the Facebook group, be sure to join, not just for these amazing giveaways that we periodically do, but hop into some conversations, be a fly on the wall. There's some lots of good info being shared in there. And it's also one of our best ways to get feedback from you guys, see what feature requests are the hottest. It's a great time in there.
Awesome. Couldn't agree more. Well, thank you guys. It's been a fun May. We'll see you in June. Have a great day and a brilliant week. Take care, guys.